My name is Chef Amelia. I am specialized in Japanese cuisine. Today I'm going to introduce you this dish. It's okra with ponzu sauce. So I'm going to start showing you how to make this dish. So I have already boiled water. Just put this okra in for about 2 minutes. Okra can cook very easily and it's a very healthy dish. So the okra has been in here for 2 minutes. It's ready for me to dish it up. So I'm going to put it in the ice water. Once the okra is already cooled down, the okra will be ready to cut. The sakura ebi, okra with ponzu sauce, simple and easy. Please try it at home. I will be back with more interesting recipes soon.